In this video, we are going to see and resolve this error that whenever you are trying to install the PowerToys or any other application, it shows you this error: the installer has insufficient privileges to access this directory. The installation cannot continue, log on as administrator or contact your system administrator. So let's see how we can quickly resolve this. So what I recommend you to do is, first of all, just copy this complete message and paste it in a notepad. Let's paste it here. And then we will simply copy this path, but not the application name. Copy this and you open any folder basically, and in the URL at the top, you click and write or paste that here, hit enter, and that will take you exactly to that location. And after that, you just search for that specific program if it is there. If it's not, you just right click here, click on new, create a folder, and you just copy that name. In this case, it's PowerToys. Paste it here. And after that, you just right click on this folder and click on the properties. And you click on the security. And here, as you can see, that the full control is not enabled for this everyone or any specific user, whatever you are using. So in order to do that, you click on advanced and you click on the change permissions. And you enable the inheritance for all the controls if it is disabled. So also, let's say that if you want to change the permission for any specific user, all you have to do is just select that, click on edit, and you allow that for everyone, and you can select them all, click on apply, okay. And similarly for a specific user which is unable to use that due to some whatever reason, you click on edit. Make sure for this changes, you need to sign in with the administrator access, and then you hit full control or modify access and all of that for any specific user for which you want a complete control of. And that is how you can resolve this. After that, your error will be no more shown. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.